The Monkey and the Golden Wedge. Milo was a naughty monkey who lived somewhere within a dark forest. Milo was well known for his naughty tricks and jokes, and he was known for defeating all the other animals in the forest. Milo came into an unusual location between a little river while swinging from tree to tree. Milo reached the riverbank, and noticed a shining golden wedge trapped between two enormous stones. He decided to look into it further after being attracted by its looks. Milo tried all he could to pull the wedge out of its place, but it remained securely stuck. Milo's naughty imagination began to operate out of frustration. If I can't remove the wedge, I wonder what would happen if I tricked someone else into doing it for me, he thought. His clever little brain had an idea, and he went out to hunt an unsuspecting victim. Milo soon came into a group of ants transporting food to their nest. He approached them with a broad smile and a banana in his hand. "Hello, my tiny friends," Milo said. "I've prepared a special surprise for you. But first, I need your help. Could you please remove this wedge for me?" Milo's proposal was quickly granted by the ants, who were excited at having the option of a delectable banana. One courageous ant volunteered and went towards the wedge. The ant used its little strength to try to remove the golden wedge. Despite its best attempts, the wedge was unable to move even. Milo continued in his dark plan. He pretended to be distressed as he approached a wise old owl laying on a nearby branch. "Oh, wise owl," said Milo. "I've lost my valuable golden wedge and fear I'll never be able to recover it. Can you assist me?" The wise old owl, known for its intelligence and wisdom, agreed to help Milo. He came down and carefully analyzed the situation. The owl tried several methods to remove the wedge, including using its beak and talons, but all of them failed. The golden wedge remained consistently stuck between the rocks. Milo's tricks continued as he approached a group of excited squirrels who were gathering nuts for the winter. Milo pretended to be sad using his best acting abilities. "Dear squirrels," he cried out, "I've lost a priceless family heirloom, a golden wedge. Can any of you relieve my pain?" The squirrels decided to assist because of their loving nature. They gathered their strength and used their quick paws to try to remove the wedge. After their best attempts, the golden wedge remained stuck between the rocks. Milo's pranks reached at maximum as the day progressed. The forest animals had exhausted all their possibilities, but none had succeeded in releasing the golden wedge. They surrounded Milo, tired and lost, while he reveled in his mischief. Meanwhile, a wise old elephant named Ella came on the scene. With intelligent eyes and an insightful smile, she studied the scenario. "Dear Milo," Ella whispered softly, "the key to unlocking the wedge lies not in trickery, but in teamwork." Milo and the other animals were watching as Ella detailed her strategy. They formed a chain, each animal using their special powers to help the others. The ants provided their small power, the owl provided knowledge, and the squirrels contributed their quick paws, and finally the golden wedge came free. Milo felt a sense of relief as the golden wedge was freed from its rocky prison. He realized that true achievement came from collaboration and working together towards a single objective, not from fooling people. Milo learned the value of teamwork from that day forward, and he used his intellect for the welfare of the jungle, leaving his naughty tricks behind. The story of Milo, the mischievous monkey, and the golden wedge served as a reminder to everyone who heard it that unity and collaboration triumph over deception and trickery, resulting in a brighter and more harmonious world. The moral of the story, The Monkey and the Golden Wedge, is that true success is achieved through teamwork and cooperation, not through deception or trickery.